Today I will show how to buy shares of Future FinTech Group Inc., a fintech firm focused on digital payment solutions. The company trades on NASDAQ under the ticker FTFT. This is an educational overview only and not financial advice. To buy FTFT, you need a broker account. I will use eToro as an example. After registering, you will usually have to verify your identity with an ID document and then add funds to the account. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker FTFT to find the listing. Make sure you select the entry that matches Future FinTech Group Inc. on NASDAQ. On the stock page, you will see basic company information and a price chart displaying recent market movement. Double-check the company name and ticker to confirm it is the correct asset. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to purchase, then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, you can place an order to execute when trading resumes. If your balance is insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add funds before completing the transaction. Once executed, the position will appear in your portfolio view. For the example link I used, check the description below to open eToro and follow the steps shown.